Okay, 2 screws. That's 1, and that's 2. Let's see how to do this. And the owner's been writing on me. The owner's a bit worried there. The owner's on my case already. He wants his Android Auto to work. Yeah, this technology stuff. Okay, so that's it. This we can just desolder this. Okay, so we're free from plastics. That's the back cover off. So now comes the SIM card story. Okay, so what's at the bottom here? So judging from what's at the bottom here, using heat will definitely be a headache here. You can't use the heat from the bottom. We've got this latch here and this connector here also. So we can only remove it from the top. First thing first, I will try to use the... I don't have to do this way, yeah, but let's just see. You can just apply heat here and it will come off. Okay, where's my low melt? Okay, let's apply low melt everywhere and mix it up. Okay, so nothing's changing there. It just take forever. However, we have a low, we just lower the melting temperature. And now let's look at the replacement. Let's just see if what we're missing. Okay, so there's the replacement. We only have one pin here, which is just another ground. It's not really a pin that we're concerned about. So all 5 and then the other 4 on the corner here. So we'll put that on the side. And let's remove this. Okay, that head unit is off. Simple as that. It is simple as that. Oh, SIM card tray. I call it head unit. So now we need to prep here. We need it as flat as possible. Oof, this thing is hot. Okay, that's on, and we'll use some isopropyl to clean. Looks clean now, and then now we'll just add some flux. Okay, that's done. Okay, this is our new SIM holder or SIM tray. So you just position it like this. So you need to make sure it's aligned properly. That's one. And then now all we need to do is just apply a little bit of solder just to hold the thing in place. Make sure everything is centered. That's a middle. It's middle also here. And let's go. Just a little bit of solder there, just to hold it in place. Yeah, it looks like I need more solder. Yeah, I'm supposed to hold it like that. Okay, so there we go again. Okay, that's just to hold it in place. Okay, now let's go on to the joint. Go one by one. Make sure you don't breach there. And this is the last one on the corner here. Perfect. Okay, so here too. That's perfect. Okay, now we move need to find a better angle where it's easy for you to solder. If you're able to see there. Where are we? Am I soldering? Yeah. Okay, perfect. It's a better angle for the camera. That's 1, 2. Solder in place. That's not going anywhere. You try if you have a big tip, so I don't really have much space there, but it will do just fine. Let's add more thing. Okay, that's it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so we've got 4G there. That's perfect.